AI Model Creation Series. No coding required. Hi guys. In this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own OnlyFans AI model that supports NSFW. Without coding or any technical understanding. We will be using RunPod and simply copy-pasting everything like kids and letting the magic happen. Note: I'm not a YouTuber or video editor, so please bear with editing errors and low-quality content. This channel is created to make AI easy and accessible for everyone who can't code and don't understand technical concepts. Drop your doubts and issues in the comments. Roadmap. 1. Face generation. Get a unique, realistic human face, not an AI-looking face. 2. Training AI model. Create a model for a consistent face and body. 3. Image generation. Generate images of the same model in different scenarios. 4. Motion transfer and control. Make your AI model mimic actions from reference videos. Let's start. Face generation. This is one of the most important steps, because conventional AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini or Nano Banana will give you a very generic face which screams it is AI, so we are going to use a stable diffusion model which will generate unique AI faces for us with unparalleled realism for less than $1. Step 1. Create a RunPod account. 1. Sign up on RunPod. 2. Add your first $10. Bonus. Get free credit using the link below. The link is in the description below. Step 2. Deploy a pod. Very important. Choosing the right configuration will save time and money. 1. Click Deploy Plus. 2. Change filters. Select Secure Cloud, then press Community Cloud. Ignore warnings. Change speed from medium, 400 Mbps, to extreme, 1000 Mbps. 3. Select GPU. A 4000 GPU and 16 GB of RAM. 62 GB RAM and 14 CPUs. 4. Select template. Click Change Template and search for Comfy UI. Select Comfy UI Latest. Do not select Comfy UI CUDA 13.0 or any other versions. 5. Storage configuration. Container disk. Change 150 GB to 0 GB. Volume disk. Keep it at 50 GB. 6. Click Deploy. Step 3. Download the required model. 1. Wait for pod startup, about 4 to 5 minutes. 2. Check the Connect menu. Wait until Jupyter Lab on port 8888 is ready. 3. Open Jupyter Lab and click Terminal. 4. Paste this command to download the SDXL model. Note: this model is the brain that generates images. 5. After the download, run Comfy UI. 6. Go back to the RunPod dashboard. Step 4. Launch Comfy UI and the workflow. 1. In RunPod, click the Connect menu, then click Comfy UI on port 8188. 2. Wait for it to load. 3. Close the pop-up. 4. Drag and drop the Juggernaut XL workflow from the description link. Step 5. Download the upscale model. 1. Click on Manager in the top right corner. 2. Click on Model Manager. 3. In the filter, select in Workflow. 4. You will now see the missing upscale model. 5. Click on Install. 6. Wait for the installation to complete. 7. Once done, click Refresh. Close the manager. Note: this step ensures your workflow runs without errors and improves image quality. Step 6. Run the workflow. 5. Click Run in the top right. 6. Prompt settings. Keep negative prompts unchanged. Only modify positive prompts. Goal: generate a realistic, unique face. 7. Once finalized, download the image. Copy the seed from the first K-sampler node. Save your prompts. This ensures consistency in face, body, and future outputs. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will create a full AI model with a consistent face and body. If you liked the content, like and subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you, and peace out.